Is there another planet that's very close to Earth, kind of like us, where there could be a civilization? Yeah, I mean the closest star system to us, Proxima Centauri, actually has a fairly Earth-like planet around it. We don't know quite how Earth-like it is, but it's called Proxima b. The James Webb Telescope has revealed something horrifying on Proxima b, signs of chaos and destruction no one expected. But now new data shows it's anything but safe, raising chilling questions about what's really out there. Could this be a glimpse into our own future or something even darker? Let us uncover the shocking truth about Proxima b that is driving Earth to the brink of total collapse. Lights on Proxima b leave scientists stunned. Proxima b is the closest exoplanet to Earth, orbiting the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri just over 4 light-years away. This superstar has intrigued researchers since its discovery in 2016, primarily because it lies within its star's habitable zone. This means conditions might exist that could support liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. However, recent observations from the James Webb Space Telescope have painted a far more complicated and alarming picture. Before we delve into this, it's clear that what the James Webb Telescope uncovered on Proxima b is far more disturbing than anyone could have imagined, and the shocks don't end here. Unlike Earth, Proxima b is tidally locked, meaning one side perpetually faces its star while the other is in eternal darkness. Initially, scientists theorized that advanced life forms, if present, could have developed technologies to transfer energy between the day and night sides, perhaps using solar panels or artificial lights. It was an exciting notion until Webb's sensors began picking up some unexpected signals. The idea of detecting artificial light on distant planets has long been considered a potential method for identifying technologically advanced civilizations. Using its incredibly sensitive instruments, Webb captured faint but unusual light emissions emanating from Proxima b's dark side. These signals bore striking similarities to the kind of artificial light humans produce. While it's tempting to conclude this as proof of alien technology, the reality is far more complex and perhaps more frightening. Scientists analyzed the patterns of the light and found irregularities that don't align with natural phenomena like volcanic activity or auroras. If these emissions are artificial, it suggests the presence of a civilization that is, at the very least, as advanced as ours. However, what kind of society would thrive under such extreme conditions? And more importantly, what else might they be capable of? Proxima b's environment is no paradise. The red dwarf star it orbits is known for violent solar flares, which could strip away a planet's atmosphere over time. These flares bombard the surface with intense radiation, creating a landscape that's harsh and unforgiving. Yet, if there's life there, it has likely evolved to withstand or even harness these conditions. This raises unsettling questions. Could such a civilization view Earth as a resource haven in comparison to their hostile home? And if they've developed the capability to survive on Proxima b, how advanced might their technology be? Adding to the intrigue, a narrowband radio signal resembling the type used in Earth's communication technologies was detected coming from Proxima b in 2021. This was no ordinary static, it carried a specific frequency that hinted at its artificial origin. Although further analysis has yet to definitively confirm its source, the possibility that it's a message from an intelligent civilization cannot be ruled out. What's particularly unnerving is that the signal didn't just appear once. Subsequent observations revealed recurring patterns, almost as if the source was trying to establish contact. But are they reaching out in peace, or could this be something far more sinister? As scientists dig deeper, the implications of these discoveries grow increasingly ominous. The potential artificial lights on Proxima b's dark side suggest a level of technological advancement that could surpass our own. If these lights are indeed from a civilization, what's their purpose? Are they merely a means of survival, or do they signify something more? Humanity's history is littered with examples of exploration turning into conquest. As we gaze at Proxima, we must consider how advanced civilizations might perceive our own. If we've detected them, chances are they've noticed us as well. And given the fragile state of Earth's environment, would they see us as a civilization worth preserving, or merely another obstacle in their path? What we've learned about Proxima b opens up new ideas and warnings, making us wonder how these discoveries could change everything we know. The rising stakes in Proxima b's discoveries highlight a sobering reality. The search for extraterrestrial life is no longer just about curiosity, it's about preparing for the unknown. Proxima b might not just be a distant, uninhabited planet. It could be a harbinger of what's to come, a glimpse into a future where humanity is no longer alone but faces challenges far greater than we've ever imagined. The James Webb Space Telescope's work on Proxima b is far from over. Future missions aim to gather even more detailed data, including atmospheric composition and potential biosignatures. These efforts will require unprecedented precision and collaboration, as the stakes couldn't be higher. Proxima b's radio signal detection highlights just how far science has come, and how much further it still has to go. The possibilities are enormous. Astronomers continue to fine-tune their methods using Webb's capabilities to decipher Proxima b's atmosphere. They aim to determine the presence of specific gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor, the building blocks of life as we understand it. Understanding Proxima b's potential habitability is not just an academic pursuit, it forces us to rethink our place in the cosmos. Should we eventually confirm the existence of advanced life forms on Proxima b, what would that mean for humanity? Would it unite us, or would it deepen existing divisions? Meanwhile, scientists are grappling with the enormous challenges of interpreting data from light years away. With Webb's ability to analyze faint signals, astronomers can separate natural phenomena from potential artificial emissions. This meticulous work ensures that any conclusions drawn are based on solid evidence, not speculation. The discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope about Proxima b are part of something much bigger. Scientists are looking at exoplanets like Proxima b not only to search for signs of life but also to learn how planets are formed and how they change over time. For hundreds of years, people have been fascinated by the idea of life beyond Earth. But exploring these possibilities also brings up deep and difficult questions. How should we approach the unknown? What might it mean for us to find life elsewhere? Proxima b is close enough to Earth to make it a top choice for more research. This planet gives us a rare chance to study something that could forever change how we see the universe. What if there are intelligent beings there? How would we try to communicate with them? And perhaps the hardest question of all, should we even try? Just because we can doesn't always mean we should. The James Webb Telescope has given us an incredible new way to look at the stars and beyond, but with every discovery comes a growing list of questions. Proxima b could be just the start of what we uncover in space. As we look deeper into the universe, we may find both answers we've been seeking and challenges we've never imagined. Each new discovery is like opening a door to more possibilities, and some of them could completely change how we understand our place in the cosmos. The lessons we learn from Proxima b will help guide us as we keep exploring what's out there. Science isn't just about finding answers, it's also about knowing which questions to ask. The search for life beyond Earth isn't just about curiosity, it's about expanding our understanding of who we are and where we fit in the universe. This exploration is bound to push us beyond our limits, challenging our ideas and shaping the future of humanity. As we keep moving forward into space, Proxima will remind us of the importance of thoughtful exploration. It's not only about what we find but also how those discoveries affect us. What does it mean to find life on another planet? Could it change how we treat our own planet? The search for life among the stars may redefine what it truly means to be human and force us to think in ways we never have before. Space exploration is more than just a scientific mission, it's a way to push the boundaries of what we know and what we dare to imagine. And as we continue to unlock the universe's many wonders, we are not only shaping our future but also learning what it means to explore with care and curiosity. Our search didn't end with Proxima b, it has stretched over years, showing us planets in a universe that's much more complicated than we first thought. The golden age of exploring planets, the history of exploring our solar system is nothing short of mind-blowing. For thousands of years, we've stared at the stars, wondering what's out there. But it wasn't until the last few centuries that we began to unravel the bigger picture. Once the 1950s hit, it was game on. Robotic spacecraft became our way of extending human curiosity beyond Earth, kicking off a new era of discovery. Back in the late 1950s, the United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a fierce competition to explore space. Both nations aimed their sights at the moon. The United States had a rough start. Its early Pioneer missions faced hiccups, with 4 failed attempts in a row. But they didn't throw in the towel. By 1959, Pioneer 4 broke through, escaping Earth's gravity and gathering data as it passed by the moon. Meanwhile, the Soviet Union's lunar missions were making waves. Luna 1 zipped past the moon, Luna 2 smashed into its surface, and Luna 3 sent back the first ever images of the moon's far side, giving humanity a new perspective.